Hello friends, welcome to my show. Today I will show you how to make noodles in Indian style. So please watch the video till the end. Like it, share it and subscribe it. Put a vessel on the stove, add oil. Once oil is hot, add cumin seeds, add onion, add capsicum, add carrot, add spring onion. Now mix it well. Now add cabbage and again mix it well. Ginger, garlic paste and mix it. Now add turmeric powder. Garam masala. Add red chilli powder, salt and mix it well. Now add boiled noodles and mix it well. That's it, your noodles ready. Many people get mouth smell. To get rid of it, the remedy is have mint or tulsi leaves every day.